What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Now, I did not post a vlog last week. There's a slight delay because I was in middle of kind of experimenting with my routine because as you go deeper into it, you realize what your body is accepting and what is better for you. So I was in middle of that and I was totally 100% focusing on that, and that is why I did not shoot a vlog. Anyways, today we are headed to Mumbai for a couple of things, but before that, let me tell you a quick update. Also, what I did last week was that I started prepping my own meals. I mean, just the first meal for now. I've been doing my cooking myself. As you can see, everything is done already for today. This is my setup. I'll probably show you in the next vlog how I cook, what I cook, and I don't know if it makes sense to you, but I just thought I want to take matters in my own hands, and I don't want to depend on any discrepancies when it comes to counting my macros, and that is why I'm doing it myself. And so yeah, that's another new thing starting in my life. I am quickly headed to Mumbai, and guess what do we have right here? The same bag from the other vlog, and once again I forgot the duffel bag from Arindam's house. I had gone to his house yesterday, but he kept it outside and I forgot to carry it back. So yeah, here we are back to Sandeep Hotel. Shout out Sandeep Hotel. Let's go. अरे आ गया चल चल लेट्स गो हिमांशु इज हियर कहाँ आ रहा था क्यों अंदर किसी को नहीं जानता तू व्हाट्स द प्लान
मुझे कहा तू बोलेगा मैं रुका हूँ तेरे
अरे मैं तेरे को इसलिए बुलाया है कि मुझे घर पे नहीं बैठना है वैसे मुझे बाहर नहीं जाना रात को पार्टी वार्टी करने तो इसलिए मैं तेरे को बुलाया कि अभी थोड़ा इधर घूमते तो मेरे को मुंबई बैंड्रा दर्शन करा बहुत टाइम हो गया
बैंड्रा दर्शन
आई एम कमिंग टू बॉम्बे आफ्टर 1 month बाय द वे सो दैट्स व्हाई आई कॉल्ड हिमू. And also, I thought it must be raining, so where will I catch a rickshaw?
driver for you.
No, but we're going to sit tonight and we're going to drink like the old times, not like how I drink nowadays. Like the old times. But धीरे पियेंगे, कम पियेंगे. कल सुबह उठना है मेरे को वापस जाना.
हाँ दिखते हैं ना.
आई एम ट्राइंग कि मैं कल शाम को जाके जिम चले जाऊँ वापस. पर मैं सोच रहा हूँ अभी आ गया हूँ तो कल का दिन भी जाने देता हूँ.
देखते हैं.
परसों जाता हूँ. अच्छा ठीक है सर. अरे थैंक यू. पूरा दबा के क्या बात है
पूरा
क्या बात है. So this is what I am eating today, indulging. This is the shawarma from Carter's Blue, which I really love, and I don't get this as good in Pune. So we're going to be eating this. ये इधर क्यों खड़ा है विंडो पे?
उसको पे करना पड़ेगा ना.
पे करना पड़ेगा. अच्छा. I don't want to put extra garlic sauce inside the shawarma only, so we can eat in the car. So he said दबा के is put.
पूरा दबा के.
पैसा दे रहा उसको जल्दी सीट पे खड़ा है मेरे यार.
रुक रहा है.
ब्रो मेरे को खाना
तो मैं वहां से करूंगा ना.
मेरे को खाना है जल्दी ब्रो. दिस इज द अमेजिंग shawarma. फ्लैश चालू हो गया ब्रो. मेरा पूरा वीडियो खराब हो गया. ये कैसे चमक के दिख रहा है. सी दबा के गार्लिक सॉस इज पुट. ओके सो हियर वी आर एट छोटू's हाउस. वी आर गोइंग टू छोटू's हाउस. हाँ हिमू. अभी फ्लैश को चालू हो जाता है बार यार. हाँ फ्लैश बंद कर यार. Okay, we are going to go to Chotu's house now. We've overeaten with that really amazing shawarma. Oh, it was like dream. Huh? Perfect cheat meal.
Yeah, that was perfect.
Okay, let's go. Workout. हाँ छोटू क्या बात है. अरे बाल और बड़े हो गए तेरे ब्रो. तू काटते हो
नबी दे दिया.
Oh, I think you're looking cool, but no.
अभी एटलीस्ट थोड़ा लड़का तो लग रहा है.
ऑफिस गया था. शर्मा क्यों रहा है तू इतना.
अभी उठा.
अच्छा अभी उठा क्या. चल ठीक है. हिमू तेरा पूरा ध्यान दारू में ही है खाली. हाँ.
Of course.
Let me just tell you, I don't drink as much now. Okay.
देख लेंगे आज रात.
I have only 4 drinks in a session.
Let's see ना. Let's see. What did you want? Yeah.
Hey, what I got? What the I got?
One for KK. One for me मतलब. हाँ तो अभी अब बैठे हैं ना हम लोग. We will finish this.
6.5 अभी तो 8,000 का हो गया.
हाँ भाई अभी तो बढ़ गया.
अभी तो दारू कैसे पिएगा ब्रो.
हमें यार वापस जल्दी जाके आना पड़ेगा.
अभी एक काम करे तो आधी बोतल लेना. आधे में पानी पहले से डाल देना. मिक्सर का भी टेंशन नहीं. अभी डबल हो गया महाराष्ट्र में दारू. महंगा हो गया ना अभी. ओ भाई मैं सबको बोल रहा था Himanshu currently is jobless and unemployed, and he's very capable and hardworking. So if you're looking for someone, that you can contact him and hire him.
Hate your business. Then I
Himanshu, do you want a job?
Yeah.
Good one.
Yeah, please.
Someone please hire him in Pune so he can come and live around me. So I can have.
Is okay for me now.
If anyone hates themselves, hates the concept of money.
यूं एक पिच करना जॉब के लिए बोल व्हाई शुड समवन हायर यू
भाई ये बहुत ज्यादा हो गया.
बस तू इधर ही फेल हो गया इंटरव्यू क्या मतलब हुआ फिर क्या कोई काम का नहीं है बस दारू पीते रहे बस समवन हाय बोल से हाय टू माय व्लॉग आज लगता है फुल रियूनियन है ऑफ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पर्संस ओनली कमेंट बिलो इफ यू रिमेंबर हु सलमान इज अरे लोगों को बोल रहा हूँ तेरे को थोड़ी कोई बोल भी नहीं रहा We are waiting for two of you all because today we are calling it officially reunion. Because everyone is here. What's it? Hey, by the way, Arshil, I have a question for you. Chotu told us a story about that night where you were missing for one full night. And your car was still parked in this lane. Well, can you tell me clearly what happened?
Basically, was to watch the NBA playoffs at
Where, your place.
Yeah.
Then he went from there, said, I'm going home.
No, so suppose the playoffs are on a Friday morning at 6 a.m. Was it?
Sunday morning.
Monday morning.
Monday whatever
6
day.
a.m. Sunday night we were together. He left at 10 saying, okay, I'll see you in the morning for the game.
Acha.
And he went home.
Huh.
Now, cut to Monday morning at 10 I wake up, the game is done. Man, I texted him saying, where are you? He's like, just reached, and I don't know, he just sent me a vague message, and just now I found out that he came to my house, watched the game.
Oh, what the f?
He didn't even try waking me up, bro. Bro, he didn't even try waking me up.
So even you did not watch the game?
No, I watched the game alone,
But he said he also watched the game? Achha, you watched here? Oh my
Bro,
god.
I've woken up, I've called him, he didn't pick up, I've called him, he's like, yeah, I'm watching at home only, I might sleep.
Abhi he's called and made.
So then where did you reach? Where did you reach at 10 a.m.? 10 a.m. you said I reached.
Not 10 a.m., 6 a.m.
But it's like 3 days.
6 a.m. I just woke up.
Your place.
Yeah. Okay.
But
then
10 a.m. to 6 a.m. where were you?
10 p.m.
10 p.m. to 6 a.m.
Not 10.
So then where did you reach?
My house.
What the f are you talking bro?
अरे मैच जब खत्म हुआ तब भी वो इसके इधर पहुंच रहा है.
But he उसने game खुद के
कल
इधर
मैच है.
अच्छा
वो
okay
कह रहा है मैं
okay
कल
okay.
सुबह आके मैच देखता
So after the game he reached your place.
इसको कह रहा है मैं मैच आगे देख के चलेगा.
In the morning, I've called him, and I've called his roommate. Okay, and then this guy is like, I'm watching you
So
come.
this guy watched the match not with his two friends, but one friend was roommate in his house without telling him.
Then you went back home and then he came back to Bangalore. Oh what the f?
But I told him, if suppose I would have come and woken him up, but he was sleeping.
No, like obviously they are friends now at school, but
हाँ.
I'm for उठा तो देना.
Back home, and guess what do we have here? Two of the most anticipated packages I was waiting for in this year. So like you guys know, I have been working out in the last 2 months and I have been going through a hell of a regime, and there were a couple of things I did not like about the gear that I was using, and I wanted this upgrade very, very, very badly. And one of which was already here like 2-3 weeks back, and this one actually took a little longer to come. By the way, both of these were copped from the Nike India website at retail. We do not care about hype anymore as much. What matters most is comfort. Now, although I was back from Mumbai like 2 weeks back, or I mean 10-12 days back, but I did not shoot this video or did not upload this because I wanted to try both these items myself before I could show them to you and tell you how worth they actually are and how much of a difference they're making to me. Now, before we get into that, let's quickly go ahead and unbox both of them, and then I shall give you my thoughts about it. So here we have both the things that I was so eagerly waiting for. Now let's quickly talk about the slides first before we get into these masterpiece of an sneaker from Nike. So these are Nike Rejuvenate React X slides. Now, obviously, the comparison is between these and the Easy Slides. I know Easy Slides are a little more comfortable. It has a lot more of softness to the cushioning and blah blah blah. But let me tell you very clearly, those are not comfortable at all. Not comfortable. They are not usable. I feel they are like those slides that you would just say go down the building to go fetch something, or you would just go from one house to another house. You know, like very mild light walking, and that's about it. In fact, I've even heard that they kind of slip, and then that rubber on that just gets stuck everywhere, and it's kind of weird. So I was never happy with those. I only wore it for the aesthetics of it, not for the usability. So this, on the other hand, is totally opposite of that. The cushioning on this is a tad bit more compared to Easy Slides in terms of stack height, but that's not the thing. The cushioning is kind of firm, and which is why it makes it more usable. So I am basically doing my post meal walks about 15-20 minutes after every meal, say 2,000-3,000 steps, 2-3 kilometers, and it works like a charm. It just feels like you're wearing not so super cushiony and super comfortable running shoes, because you're not running, you're just doing light walking. So yeah, this is the reason. This is what I expected from these before I ordered, looking at some other videos, and they are exactly like that. I've been wearing them for a week and they are absolutely brilliant. I've done, I don't know, you could probably count it as 50,000 to 80,000 steps in these already, and they are just perfect. So yeah, they cost about 6,000 from Nike website. You can go order yours. And by the way, let me tell you one thing. I don't think you should be buying these in resale, because they do keep restocking on Nike India website time and again in different colorways. So don't pay resale for them. Just go and cop them at retail, and for 6,500 rupees with shipping, it is absolutely a steal. And trust me, 50% of the times you will not even need anything else if you are just loitering around here and there. Now, talking about the star of today's video is this. These are the Vomero 18s. They released recently, couple of months back, but I think they made it to India only very recently. And since I've been into this workout phase of mine, I have been researching a lot about running shoes. Although I'm not into running, I'm more of a outdoor walking and incline walk person. Incline walk, by the way, it does cause a lot of fatigue to your feet, and which is why I was researching hard which one to go for. Now, there are cheaper models below this. I have not tried them, I will not lie. But as per me, as per my need, as per my workout sessions, like say I walk about 10, 15, 20 kilometers in one session. So I didn't want to really go below this certain category of running shoes, and I did not want to go all the way up to the Alpha Fly 3s or the Vaporfly 4s, because they are very serious running shoes. And also I've heard that Vaporfly is kind of narrow, and then the Alpha Fly has too much rebound, and I'm not going to be running like 25 kilometers every day. So it didn't make sense for me, which is why I went for these. Now I know you guys will say Hoka is better, New Balance has a nice one, Puma has another one, blah blah blah. I did not try any of them. Let me tell you honestly, I am biased towards Nike, and it's always going to be Nike first for me. But as we progress with our target of achieving 10% body fat, we will be trying more and more sneakers in future. I don't see it happening personally, because Nike just announced 2 more versions of these coming in future, which is the Vomero Plus with some more cushioning towards the forefoot as well, and the Vomero Premium with absolutely massive cushioning all around. I'm going to be buying both of those and trying all of them. Although I will try to do some other reviews, but I don't think you should waste your time and just stick to Nike. So yeah, talking about these feel like they have 2 layers of cushioning. I think one is called Zoom X, which is softer, and one is called React X, or I'm not very sure, but the other layer is slightly firmer, just like these slides. So what it does is when you put the thing on and you walk, it makes you feel like you're on the cloud, but you have more grip and more stability because of the firmer outsole below it, and which is what makes it so good. Now let me compare this to my on cloud sneakers that I've been wearing for the last 2 months, and I must have walked, I don't know, 2,000 kilometers in there. I'm not very sure, just don't quote me on that. Now the problem with that shoe is it is an absolutely amazing sneaker. If you are walking around whole day, like work wise or traveling here and there, like your daily requirement, there cannot be anything more comfortable than those. Even if you're going to the gym, like say 45 minutes, 1 hour, you're doing little walking, little this and that, absolutely perfect. But if you're doing what I am doing, like 10, 15, 20 kilometers in one session of walking, or inclined walking, that is where those shoes do not stand a chance in front of these. I don't care what the technology they have, and I don't care how famous they are. These by far in my life are the most comfortable athletic shoes or sports shoes, as we call it, I have ever put on my feet, and they're absolutely amazing. I would advise everyone to go out and buy these. You can just have one of these. I think I really love this colorway, although it's not as famous like some of the other colorways. I think they are more casual looking and lifestyle friendly. You could have this as your daily sneaker to just do your errands and also go to the gym with and also go running with. It's absolutely amazing. So yeah, that was it. These were my very essential upgrades to my routine. Now talking about that, I haven't made a updated video, but I am thinking let's not make this video even longer. This should have been 2 videos actually, but my editor fucked up and now I have someone else that I am trying out. So let me know in the comments below what you feel about this video, and yeah, I will immediately start another vlog after this, and we shall talk about the health updates, the fitness updates, and where I have progressed. By the way, I have progressed a lot. I'm extremely happy with it, and so will you be once you hear it from me. And I have streamlined everything, the whole workout. I was doing too much before. Anyways, let's keep that for the next video. This is all from me for this video. Let me know in the comments below what you feel about these Vomero 18s. What are your thoughts about these slides if you have worn them? And also, did you enjoy the absolute nonsense bullshit in the first half of this video? For some reason I shot it and I thought let's just go out in the flow. So yeah, thanks for watching, and do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.